Are you ready to get your skin holiday ready with no need for needles or spa treatments? Then you will love to hear about Rejuran. As we age, our skin cells can be compromised. Rejuran offers a solution that works with its hero ingredient, c-pdrn, a marine growth factor that delivers amazing results for the skin. Once only available by injection through dermatologists, Rejuran scientists shrunk the c-pdrn molecules to a size smaller than human pores, which means needles are no longer required to deliver amazing benefits. No needles? Now that sounds pretty wonderful to me. I've been using Rejuran's entire system and I love it. It just feels so opulent that I feel like I'm in a spa. c-pdrn is in every one of Rejuran's products. The advanced cleanser makes my skin feel so smooth, and the turnover ampoule is amazing. The silky serum helps to fade spots, reduce scars and wrinkles, and gives your skin a youthful and healthier look. It's my absolute favorite product, and if you're going to choose just one, this is it. The Advanced Active Night Repair Eye Cream and the Advanced Face and Neck Cream instantly deeply nourish the skin and improve skin appearance for a sculpted and youthful look. I am absolutely loving the results in just a short period of time. Rejuran is a brand that I reach for over and over again. I've used the turnover ampules in the past, and now I'm absolutely loving using the entire system. It is really beauty combined with regenerative science for fantastic results. Be sure to check it out. It's Rejuran. I know you're going to absolutely love it too.